trying to eject your USB drive and you get this error every time. So let's see how you can fix this error once and for all. Simply open your browser and search for USB disk ejector. Now from the search results, go to the website of Softpedia. Click on download now. Now click on any of the link to download the tool. Once you download it, extract the contents of the file. Run the tool and it will display all the USB drives connected to your PC. Now we need to make a small change in the settings. To do that, click on More. Click on Options. Now from here, click on Ejection. And under this, turn on this option and click on OK. Now select the drive you want to remove. You can simply double click over that drive to remove it. That's it. Now your USB drives will get ejected without any errors. As an alternative, you can turn off your Windows security, or if you are using a third-party antivirus for the time being, and see if this helps or not. The best part of this USB tool is that you can copy and paste it in your USB drive or external hard drive and use it every time to remove your USB drive safely. You can simply run the software directly from your USB drive and use the similar pattern to remove it safely from any computer you use. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.